Hello everyone, bonjour à tous. Aujourd'hui, on va apprendre les 5 connecteurs logiques de base à connaître en français. Dear French learners, let's welcome to 5 basic logical connectors to know in French. So let's get started. Alors, allons-y pour commencer. Le premier connecteur logique, the first logical connector, OTA, which means end in English. Let us see one practical scenario with this connector, OTA. I like tea and coffee. How do we say in French? I like tea and coffee. J'aime le thé et le café. J'aime le thé et le café. నాకు టీ మరియు కాఫీ అంటే ఇష్టం. Maintenant, le deuxième connecteur logique, the second logical connector, parce que. Parce que means because in English. Parce que, ça signifie because en anglais. Now, let us see one practical scenario with this logical connector, parce que. How do we say in French, I am staying home because it's raining? I am staying home because it's raining. En français, on dit comme je reste à la maison parce qu'il pleut. Je reste à la maison parce qu'il pleut. I am staying home because it's raining. వర్షం పడుతోంది కాబట్టి నేను ఇంట్లోనే ఉన్నాను. Le troisième connecteur logique, the third logical connector, donc. Donc means so in English. Now let us practice this French logical connector donc with one daily life example. How do we say in French, it's late so I'm going to sleep? It's late so I'm going to sleep. Yes, en français, on dit comme ça. Il est tard, donc je vais dormir. Il est tard, donc je vais dormir. ఆలస్యం అయింది కాబట్టి నేను నిద్రపోబోతున్నాను. Le quatrième connecteur logique, the fourth logical connector, du coup. Du coup means as a result in English. Du coup means as a result. Now let us see one practical scenario with this French logical connector, du coup. How do we say in French? I missed the bus, so as a result, I walked. I missed the bus, as a result, I walked. En français, on dit comme ça. J'ai raté le bus. Du coup, j'ai marché. J'ai raté le bus. Du coup, j'ai marché. అంటే నేను బస్సు మిస్ అయ్యాను. దాని ఫలితంగా నేను నడిచే వెళ్ళాను. Le cinquième connecteur logique, the fifth logical connector, de plus. Ça veut dire en anglais moreover. De plus means moreover in English. Now let us practice this French logical connector de plus with this very simple daily life sentence. Moreover, it's very easy. How do we say in French? Moreover, it's very easy. On dit comme ça. De plus, c'est très facile. De plus, c'est très facile. అంతేకాకుండా ఇది చాలా సులభం. Now, here is a small challenge for you. What is the English connector for donc? Yes, it is so. Donc means so in English. Now, what is the English connector for parce que? Yes, parce que means because in English. Next, what is the English connector for du coup? Yes. Du coup means as a result. Now, what is the English connector for a? Yes, it is and. The final one. What is the English connector for de plus? De plus means moreover. Dear French learners, here is a small test for you. Let us choose the appropriate logical connectors from the above list to fill up the following sentences. Question number 1. Il est intelligent. Il travaille très dur. Il est intelligent. Il travaille très dur. Second question. Je veux apprendre le français. Je pratique tous les jours. Je veux apprendre le français. Je pratique tous les jours. Please write your answers in the comment section. That's all for today. Let us meet in the next video with some more logical connectors. Until then, please keep watching my channel. Hope you all like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to Let's Learn and Speak French with English. Don't forget to like, comment and share my videos. Thank you all.